Okay, let's learn salsa from scratch, all the basic movements, some technical tips, and a little bit style. Let's get started. Okay, how to start salsa? First of all, close your legs. Now let's learn timing first. We're gonna march in place. We're gonna say 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. March, march, hold, march, march, hold. Now we imagine a red line in front of us. So we're gonna step over that line and return back. And that's gonna be our rock step forward. 1, 2, close leg 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and the same backwards. We imagine a red line behind us. We're gonna go over that line and rock back. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and we're gonna hold 8. So let's connect two steps together. Rock, step, front, rock, step, back, and we put counts to it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we can do rock, step to the side. Same idea. So we're rocking to the side, returning to our base, rocking to other side, returning to our base with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, to make it more moving, more about body action, soften your knees, relax your hips, move your chest, and now do exactly the same solo, and also your arms can be in front of you, very similar like you run. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, front. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If we can do it solo, we can do it together. So how to dance with the partner? Two-hand hold, relaxed position. Try to do this inside circles. Have a freedom, have fun, and let's get started. Excellent. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, front. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. So what's next? Next, we have to learn how to turn. It's very, very simple. So as we do our basic 3, 5, 6 seconds, on the second time, we're gonna actually cross our legs. Now start turning our right shoulder to the right, step, direction you came from, and then close your legs again. So we'll repeat that. We have a cross, turn, step, turn, close. And again, step, turn, close, turn, step, turn, close. Again, cross, turn, step, turn, close. And from here we have a back rock. Quick, quick, slow. And again, turn, 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 5, 6, 7. And turn, 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 5, 6, 7. Now let's combine already 3 movements we learned so far. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try exactly the same with our beautiful partners. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, turn, turn, turn. And boys turn 1, 2, 3, turn, turn, turn. So let's do this small combination. So we start with the basic, back and forward. Then we go inside. Then we go for the girl turns, boys turn, and the girl turn followed by that. Let's do it together. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, ladies turn, men turn, turn, ladies turn. And this is a basic salsa introductory. See you at the next lesson.